Welcome back to Beautiful Mind today. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I am the leading GANN scientific and analytical researcher. And today we're going to be discussing some community comments. I got a really good one from Jay here. He says, how did I get the 13% correction? And can you please explain? So let's just go ahead and let's talk about that. Okay, so as you guys know from the beginning here in Bitcoin, we've been having pullbacks here, and let's just go take a look at them really quickly. So how do I know? Well, it's not that difficult. So here's 10 and 11%, okay? That's our first one. That was from our main bottom. So, we could expect something like that. What about this? There's a 19%. Could we expect something like that? Yeah, of course we can. What about this one here? Well, probably 6% here, right? Oh, 5%. What about this one here? Maybe 10% or 8% or something? Oh, 10%. And then the next one here? Oh, well, 11%, right? And not to forget, from this lower top, it was actually, what, again, 8%. Okay, so fair enough. Well, moving ahead now, what do we got here? 6%. So 6% doubled, it's 12. All right, let's just take a look at this one now. Let's just keep moving forward. So we have a 9% here. So let's just say that maybe 9% doubled would be 18%. Okay. So let's now get closer and move in to Y. All right, so here we go. We're going to move in closer. We got a few more to do. All right, you have questions? I have answers. Buzz me. We're up almost 9% here. Double of 8 and 9%, right? We'd be up into 16, 17, and 18%. Okay, well, let's not. And this is where it gets really key. So this 1 day pullback. What do we got here, guys? Come on, let's go take a look. You're here on my channel. You guys have questions? I have answers. 13%. How did I know? Well, our first major metric is right here. Right? We made our top, our 100% top here, and then we had this major swing. Okay, well, fine. Well, let's go now and take a look at this very small little swing here, right? I mean, we have to take a look at this. So this one only came down 6% or maybe 7%, right? So 6 and 7% doubled, right? So it'd be 12 and 13%. So come on, guys, it's not that difficult to figure out how we're going to assess and determine logical and sensible outcomes. Okay, now I'm going to show you something real major now here, guys. So 13% pullback, let's say it's 14 right now. Let's just take this middle bar, right? What are we talking about? This middle bar here? We're going to take it down and we're going to put it right here. And this is where your bottom is going to be. I'm going to show you, right? I tell you, this measuring tool is probably one of the most important tools that you have as a trader, free, okay, in your kit, right? This is your little kit. So I'm saying to you, as you guys know, I've been stating this over and over and over. So somewhere out about this 23rd, 24th, 25th, we're going to see a pullback of 26% because the middle bar has come down and addressed this 13%. So obviously doubling this would bring us back to here. And right now, that's 78, 79,000. It's not too difficult, guys. So, failing to break below this 13% here would indicate significant strength, and we would be moving up to 114,000 and 125,000 possibly. So, this is possible. And if you take a line and you run a line right through here, and you run it out to the 7th here, what are we at? Well, we're between 114 and 125. That's my next target. where you're going to get your big ass pullback here, guys. Okay? And it's going to end here around the January 25th area. So, and you'll be buying a course off me for sure. 100%. 100%. And it comes with a bunch of forecasts too for free. I put in a bunch of forecasts because that's what I do. Right? I'm a leading forecaster of market action. I love what I do and I do what I love. And I think that's really important. And I think you should do the same thing. Whatever you do in life, love what you do. Love what you do. Because you're going to be doing what you love. And that means you're going to be really, really abundant. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you this. I think this is what we're in for right now. We have a whole bunch of these, right? These moving averages. So taking all these moving averages here, if we add them all up, like, oh, sorry, you can't see it because my face is in the way of that one. But if we take all these moving averages, we added them all up and divided them by how many there are, you're going to see that we're going to be right around here. So pay attention, guys. Peace and love. Love to all of you.